Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I think you saw the problem this machine, this one showing F01 when I'm on the machine within few minutes any option I'm selecting, after selecting any option within few minutes is showing F01 and starting drain out. This is the problem with this machine. Now we have to resolve the problem. Also I have to troubleshoot the problem. Now I'm going to repair the machine. I will show you how to repair that machine. We will go to the next step. Now see this machine. Now it's already occurring, it's already showing F01 error message. Now I cannot do anything, I cannot select anything. At least start pause, the power switch on off. I'm not able to do anything. See, it's not working anything, but continuously occurring F01 error. What we can do now, we have to do anyway, we have to do the power connection disconnect. After disconnecting power, we will start again, we will check what will happen. After disconnecting power, we have to wait until like 3 minutes, 2 minutes. After that machine we can start. If it is again occurring as same this F01 error, we have to do we have to check what is the problem. This is main issue. It will come in this type of washing machine, the especially Whirlpool machine, MCU unit, otherwise motor control unit, otherwise circuit control unit. We have to do the both check. Otherwise we have to replace the main control board. And we will check again what will happen. We will disconnect the power and we will check. Now I already disconnect the power. Again I am giving power connection. Yeah, it's already came because we are not able to switch off through the switch. Now again I off the power and again I on the power, and I am selecting for the checking, I am selecting direct spin and drain here and start the machine. We will see what will happen. Yeah, motor is running. At that time I'm thinking drain motor also start. It's showing 10 minutes remaining time. Now motor RPM it's increasing. The machine is running continuously, a direct spin. But in this machine, no motor controller unit. This is with the power control main PCB, with the main PCB only. Because of that, no need to check MCU. In this machine, having only the main control board only, no motor control unit. Now it's came down 1 minute, it is showing 9 minutes. Yeah, you can see the problem. Again it's showing here service indicator and F01. This is the problem. Now we have to repair the machine. First of all, we will check the motor control. But in this machine I told you it's no motor control unit. Because of that we have to check the power control board. It is something happened, it burned or something shorted. We have to remove the machine, back of the machine having power control board, main control board. Now we will remove the control board and we will check. Now we have to remove the back cover. Only 2 screws are here, and we will remove like that. Also here 1 screw, and we have to pull up, it's like that, and also remove the cover, and we will take it up like this. Now we can take it out. Now we can take the power control box out and see the power control box, and this all the connector. If you going to replace the PCB control board, we have to take the picture, otherwise. But anyway, these connectors are not matching with any other space, and anyway we will remove the control board and we will take it out, and here lock, all the locks we have to take like that out. And also these two connection, and now we can check the control board. This look like it's very dirty, and I will remove the control board here and all the covers, and here lock. Now it look like cockroaches are gone inside. Yes, my dear friends, it is actually here also some indicator. See, look like too much cockroaches or some insects are gone inside. And this board look like no any damage. We cannot see, I cannot see anything, but 100% problem with this machine not running, is showing F01 error. The motor also it's happening like that, but anyway we know the problem, we know the motor is okay, because already it's working. Also drain pump, everything's are perfect. Now we will check the heater connection, if it is shorted or no, and we will remove this connection. Okay, now I'm going to check heater element, it's shorted or not. You can see here heater is okay, no any issue, no ground, it is okay. Now 100% we know the problem, it's problem with the main control board. Now anyway we have to replace the main control, and we will check what will happen. I order already new control box, we will check with the control box new one, and we will fix again this connection. This is same number, same control board, everything's all the connectors, everything's okay. Now we will change this one and we will check. Now I already fixed new control board, and before fixing we will check again, and we will give the power and we will check again. I already given power, and again I'm selecting direct spin. 10 minutes remaining, it's showing direct spin with drain, and start, machine start. Now increase in RPM. Before not decreasing the time, it's within 1 minute it's occurring error message F01. Now we can see this type of error message showing with the Whirlpool machine. We have to check the motor connection, motor controller, and here now you can see it is a decrease in time. Now already it came 9. Now machine will run continuously without any problem with the main control, sure. Now it is not motor speed. We showing the time. We can tell control, but it's time control. It is placed short with the control some. And now you can see it is on 8 minutes. Now it is 100% okay. Now we have to fix permanently control board with the machine, and we will check one cycle with the water connection. After that we can hand over to the customer, and we will check with the water after fixing permanently control board to the machine. Now I am going to fix the machine with the main control board. We have to fix like that. Now you can see how to fix the new control board. Here this type of lock it's coming, and we have to little bit down, pushing down, its lock will come. After that we have to close this reprogramming connector, and we have to close properly this one like that. And now we have to fix the screw here. So we have to close the back cover, and lock will come here. And now I am checking with 30. It is Celsius 30 degree, and we will start the machine. I given water connection, door already locked. Here water coming to the machine. And both sides taking all the inlet valves, 2 valves are okay. Water continuously taking to the machine. Still taking water into the machine, and showing F01. Now still not coming. Now machine should start now, because still taking water. Dear friends, now machine start already, no any issue, 100% problem with the main control board. Thanks for watching my channel, and we already finished our job. It is done already. We will meet with another video. Thanks for watching my channel again.